children, good morning. Miss Rosie is here to show you a fun activity you can do at home. Today we will learn about shapes. Triangle, circle, square, and rectangle. Okay, now Miss Rosie will show you how to make a whole body from shapes. Okay, are you ready, children? Let's start. The things you need are origami, glue, scissors, and a piece of paper.
And now Miss Hannah will show you step by step how to make body from shapes. Draw the shapes one by one. First is triangle. 2 triangle for 2 and 1 small triangle for nose. Second is square. Third is circle. 1 is big circle for the head and 2 small circle for the eyes. The last one is rectangle. 2 rectangles for arms and 2 shorter rectangles for legs. Cut out the shapes. Please be careful when you are using scissors, okay? After that, you can stick them one by one on a piece of paper. Start from circle, we can make a head from circle. And a small square for the neck. After that, I need a square for the body. Now I need 2 rectangles for the arms. And I need 2 rectangles more, and it's shorter than rectangle for arms. And for the feet, I need 2 triangles. Wow, it's finished now. Oh wait, I need to do something for the face. I will put 2 eyes, 1 nose, and 1 mouth. So, I will put 2 small circles for the eyes. One small triangle for the nose. And then a half of circle for the mouth. Ta-da! It's done now! We can make a whole body from shapes. Can you count how many shapes in the whole body? How many triangle? Square? Rectangle? And circle?
Okay, lovely children, don't forget to send your picture to Google Classroom. Miss Rosie hope you can enjoy this activity. And don't forget to tidy up and wash your hands, okay? Have a nice day. Bye.